welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you hit that subscribe button down below and click on the little bell to be notified for all my new videos. Hi guys, how are you? Okay, I'm not sure what day I'm going to put up this video, but I wanted to film this video because I'm kind of inspired. So I figured I better run with it now before I get uninspired. I know, my family room doesn't look so good, but we're going to change that. We're going to totally change the family room. I mean, a bit. Now, I know you saw the title of the video and you're thinking, Halloween? Bella, you don't even do Halloween. Yeah, I know. I never, ever do Halloween. But my little girl, who is not a little girl anymore, she's a teenager, she's 16 years old, and she was like, Mom, everybody does Halloween. What is wrong with you? Why do we always have to have just pretty fall stuff? And I said, what, you really want like Halloween decorations? She's like, yeah. So a while back, I did a haul, and I showed this like little gnome guy, and I think I'm sorry, I have something in my eye, a Ray Dunn bowl or something, like a Halloween one. And then my mom bought me a witch cup, and I found a Ray Dunn trick-or-treat black mug. And I was like, oh, I kind of like the Halloween stuff. And then I saw all my friends on YouTube doing Halloween and having really cute Halloween stuff. So, sorry, I'm looking down. And then I thought to myself, okay, I can do this, but I don't want to spend money. I don't want to spend money. Like, this is not, I don't know if I'm going to do Halloween next year. So, I'm looking over there because it is so cute. Just wait till you see what I came up with. Okay, we're going to redo my fireplace. I bought one thing. I'll show it to you as we decorate. And then I'll explain everything. So let me turn the camera facing the fireplace, and let's start decorating how I took my fireplace mantle and redid it all for Halloween. Okay? Come on, let's go. Okay guys, we are on my mantle. This is my fireplace mantle. It's like a really, really simple mantle. And I'm trying really hard to figure out the filming for this, because a lot of it is going to be up there. I took everything out, but I want to keep my garland. So I left my garland and I left my lights because I think they're so cute on this. And I left my, whatever this is, it's like an old, here, I'm going to tilt it up so you can see what I've done. It's supposed to look like an old gate, I guess, with a scroll on top, if you can see that. I draped that meshing. It's like that Halloween meshing that I found. Okay, so let's get started. I will show you. Sorry, I'm bending down because all the stuff's down on the floor. I bought this. Angela picked this out. We got this yesterday at Micheal's. They had them 40% off. It says Home of the Wicked Witch and her little monsters. I mean, I have one monster, but if we count Mia, then I got two monsters. So I say, yeah, I'm taking it. Okay, but I love to layer stuff. I love layering. And I kind of want this to feel like an old, I don't know, what can you call that? Like an old kind of spooky, I mean, not too spooky. I don't really like Halloween. I don't like spooky. So I had this frame. I have a lot of these. These are left over from, oh God, from my parents' house or wherever. You know, we have so many of these. Okay, so I thought, let's layer it. Because if you saw my other one, my fall one, I had it layered on this side. But then I thought, no, I'm going to layer it on the opposite side. So I layered that. And then I'm going to put this, and I'm layering this up here like that. So now you've got some interest. Okay, so you got interest on that side, and now you need height on this side. So I had the black candle holders and I have them right here. They're the exact same ones that I used for my fall with the exact same candles. And I'm going to use those also. But I'm going to put them on this side to just give it some interest. So here we go. And done. Easy peasy, as Liz would say. Okay. But that's not enough. Not to me anyways. This needs more. Hold on. Let me go get something. You know what I'm thinking now? This is that mesh. You guys see it? This is that mesh. I got this from the dollar store. It was in their Halloween section. It was like a huge amount of this stuff for nothing, like $3. I'm going to drape this over that frame. I'm going to do it. I'm going to stand on a ladder, so I really don't want you to see my backside. So, because I'm, you know, shorty McShorty, and I got to stand on something to get up there, and I don't want you to see that. So, I'm going to do that, and I'll be right back. I'm going to use this lantern that I got. I love this thing. It is so nice. I just love this lantern. I got it at one of those really fancy boutique stores, but I figured, hey, why not? Let's use it. You have it. It totally fits in the Halloween vibe, and I just want to use it. So I'm going to put it here, and if you can see, I did drape this one here, but I am going to bring the camera in closer so you can see it. Okay. What doesn't say Halloween like a witch's broom? But this is not any old witch's broom. This, oh my God, is heaven. It is a cinnamon stick broom. I know Trader Joe's has them for $4.99, but I got mine for $3.99 at Christmas Tree Shop. It is, oh my God, it smells divine. It smells divine. So I'm just gonna place this right behind my candlesticks, like that. And yeah, right behind my candlesticks. And I think that gives it some interest and some texture, right? And I'm gonna bring you in closer so you can see it anyways. Okay, then comes the cute stuff. Do you remember this little guy? He is so cute. I don't know, he's just so cute. I cannot with him. So I thought, okay, Mr. Gnome has got to have a prominent place in our Halloween decor because he just kind of deserves it. And that's how much I like him. So I'm going to put him right here. And then I got this little pumpkin from Walmart. I have so many of these. I bought so many this year, my God. And I just thought it needed some green, some orange in here because the orange over here, I wanted it to tie in over there. And that's it. That's how simple. Aha, but can't be this simple. I mean, there's no way Bella would do something this simple. Okay, let me go get it and I'll explain what I did and I'm gonna put them up. Guys, I love Pinterest. I've mentioned this many times, and I love Instagram, and I get all kinds of inspiration from there. Well, I've seen these bats everywhere. People are putting them in the coffee bars, people are putting them on the walls, people are putting them outside, people are putting them everywhere. And I thought, I want bats. I want bats. I really want bats. This is what I found, and I was very disappointed. It's an 8-pack of these foam multicolored bats, green and purple, and this like very glittery purple one, very glittery, and then these glittery black ones. And seriously, I would have had to buy, I don't know how many packs of these to achieve what I wanted to achieve. So what I did is I got black craft paper, took the little bat, this is a sparkly one. I took this and I used it as a template. And I cut out on regular craft paper a bunch of bats. So now, let me put those down. So now I have so many. I mean, I don't even know how many we have here. Me and Angela were just cutting and cutting and cutting and cutting. We just traced them out and cut them on just simple black craft paper. Here's the little trick I figured out. If you take your bat and you fold it in half and lightly press them together, it kind of makes it look a little 3D. So let me show you what I'm thinking. What I want to achieve is, you know in those old horror movies, you got the bats that come out of the fireplace and like fly up? Well, that's what I want to look. I want it to look like. I want the bats to look like they are flying out of the fireplace and flying all the way up. So I'm going to start sticking bats everywhere. I'll leave the camera on a little bit so you can see how I put them. Oh, and what am I using to stick them on with is just this Scotch tape. It's the double-sided Scotch tape. So I'm just taking a tiny itty-bitty piece. Let me show you. All of a sudden, this is like, you know, really hard. I just put a little piece back there, and I'm just gonna start sticking my bats here and there. There's one, and I told you I want them to look like they're coming out of the fireplace. So I'm gonna put the camera on fast, like speed kind of, and I'm gonna start taping the bats on coming out of the fireplace and onto the wall. And then I'll come back and show you. Guys, I just realized that when I was putting them on, I didn't film. Anyways, they're up. They look adorable. I'm gonna turn the camera around. You can see them there. I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can see the whole fireplace mantle. And I think I'm gonna turn the candles on and these lights because it is so cute. And my gnome guy and the sign was the total inspiration for this. And I want to make my daughter happy because I know I never do Halloween. And please, for the people that say Christians don't do Halloween, this is cute Halloween. Nobody in this house is worshiping any weird stuff, okay? So I don't want to hear comments like, oh my God. No, don't bother. Please, I'm begging you, please. Just, I'm a true Christian. I'm a true believer. I don't need to explain myself, so you know. Okay, guys, this is the mantle all done. It looks so cute. I totally think we achieved that look of the bats flying out of the fireplace. I think it's adorable. Okay, let's pan in close so I can show you all the details and get a really good view of everything. I think the paper bats really do look cute. And I really have them like flying kind of on an angle. So it goes from down here and it goes all the way up and they're flying out of the fireplace, we say. Okay, you saw my candle holders before. I'm just using them again. I love them. I think they're perfect and they're perfect for Halloween. The little Walmart pumpkin really did good, but this is the little guy that inspired everything. He's the cutest guy ever with his little gray cat. He even has a little jack-o'-lantern right there. You can see his little jack-o'-lantern. He's adorable. I'm so glad I bought him. Anyway, so you can see the black mesh is really draped, really good on there. And I just pinned it. And that, what I'm calling a witch's broom, my cinnamon stick broom, I think it works really, really, really good. Okay, so here is, now you could see the mesh draped on the antique frame. I really do think that gives like that spooky kind of Halloween, even though we're not doing spooky. We're doing a mix of spooky and cute. So the garland from the Christmas tree shop, the colors I think totally work. I think they totally fit in. And the lights I left. Okay, let me show you what I did in the family room just to change things up a bit. On my chair, you guys seen this chair a lot. I love this chair. I moved the Farm Fresh pumpkins pillow. Now it's not Halloween, but it does tie in really nice with the mantle. So I put it there. And then over here, let's pan this way. And I'll show you my couch. and my coffee table, what I did. And I think this looks really good. I think this looks really good together. I just brought up some black furry pillows that I had, and I put them behind the plaid pillows. And those plaid pillows I had, and then I flipped that pillow that I had in the middle, and then I added the itty bitty orange one, and that on that side. And then here on my coffee table, I just did the stacked pumpkins and the candle holders. And then at the edge of my couch is the buffalo plaid blanket and that I moved. On this side, okay, and then on this side of the family room, I just flipped the pillows around. So that was the Michael's one. And then that was the one, the orange one was the one I had on the chair. And I just flipped them around. And really, I just left it. But I think altogether, it gives it a cute kind of Halloween, not fall, but more Halloween look with all the added black. So let's go back and look at the fireplace one more time, because I think this is where it really shows Halloween. So I think that looks so cute. So I really like it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. Okay guys, that is the end of the video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you kind of like this Halloween vibe. I had fun doing it. I'm sure my little girl is totally going to enjoy this. She's been asking for Halloween for so long. So I had fun doing it. I hope this gives you just some inspiration to take everything you have. Tiny, tiny touches. I mean, what did I add, really? I mean, think about it. The gnome and the sign and that mesh from the dollar store, and then paper cutouts and everything else I had. I just moved stuff around, and ta-da, you got a Halloween. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. Mwah. See you soon, guys.